Okay, in last class, that is I solved, that is only calendar related problems. Okay, now I take age related problems. Next lesson, that is age related problems. So age related problems. So in competitive exams you get questions like this also, that is father age is 3 times than his son, then what is the present age of son, what is the present age of father, like that you get the questions, right? So here age related problems. So here there is no much basic things, you should remember only present, past, future. So only you should you have to concentrate on present, past, future. That is present means the present age of son, present age of father. Like that you get the questions. So here future means after 5 years. Hence 5 years. Like that you get the question. Here past 4 years ago. Okay, before 4 years you get the words like this. So 4 years ago means past value. That is before 4 years. That means past value. And after 4 years, hence 4 years means it is future value. Present, usually they are given present age of son, present age of father, like that you get the questions. Okay, just remember these words. Okay, so directly I take the problems. First one. So first problem, the present ages of. So first question, the present ages of A and B are in the ratio. A and B are in the ratio. A and B are in the ratio 4:5. 4:5. After 5 years, they will be in the ratio. After 5 years, they will be in the ratio. They will be in the ratio 5:6. 5:6. Okay. Then present age of A is. Present age of A is. Okay, question number. So here your question is what? The present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4:5 after 5 years. They will be in the ratio 5:6. Then present age of A is, what is the present age of A? Okay, so they are given A is to B. A is to B present age. A is to B present age is, that is in the ratio 4:5. 4:5. How can I write this one? 4x:5x. Okay, so we don't know 4:5 means it may be 20, 25 or 30 to 40, because say here 4:5. So 4x:5x. You can write it as 4x:5x. Then they are given after 5 years. Then that means you have to add 5 years. After 5 years, it is in the ratio 5:6. After 5 years, it will be in the ratio 5:6. That means 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5 is equal to 5:6. That is the meaning. Understand it carefully. So your question is, the present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4:5. Okay, after 5 years, this ratio will be 5:6. So now present age is 4x. Present age of A is 4x. So present age of B is 5x. So after 5 years means 5 years more. Then 4x plus 5, 5x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5 is equal to 5:6. Okay. Now, calculate x value now. So 4x plus 5 divided by 5x plus 5 is equal to 5 divided by 6. Now calculate it. So this implies by cross multiplication 4x into 6 24x plus 5 into 6 30 is equal to 5 into 5 25x plus 25. Now take this 24x in RHS side and 25 in LHS side. So what happens? 30 minus 25 is equal to 25x minus 24x. So this implies 30 minus 25 is 5, 25x minus 24x, that is 5 is equal to x, that is x equal to 5. So your x value is 5. Now present age of A. So we have present age. Present age of A is 4x. So 4 into x value is 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So therefore answer is what? 20 years. So present age of A is 20 years. Okay. So I'll repeat this once again. What's the question? The present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4:5. After 5 years, they will be in the ratio 5:6. Then the present age of A is what? That is your question. Okay. Now present age A is to B. A is to B is equal to what? 4:5. How you consider this 4:5? You can take it as 4x is to 5x. Okay. After 5 years, this ratio will be 5:6. So after 5 years means you should add 5 years for A and 5 years for B. So 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5 is equal to 5:6. Now after this, so how you write this one? 4x plus 5 divided by 5x plus 5 is equal to 5 divided by 6. Now cross multiply. 6 into 4 24x. 6 into 5 30 is equal to 5 into 5 25x. 5 into 5 25. Now take this 24x in RHS side. What happens? 25x minus 24x. So 30 plus 25 take it in LHS side. 30 minus 25 is 5. So x is equal to 5. Now you can clearly say that the present age of A, that is 4x. 4 into x value is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So your answer is what? 20 years. Okay. I'll take next question. So next problem, the respective ratio of the present ages. Second problem, the respective ratio of the respective ratio of the present ages of Swati and Anju. Swati and Anju is 4:5. Is 4:5. 4:5. 6 years hence. 6 years hence. 6 years hence, the respective ratio of 6 years hence, the respective ratio of their ages will be 6:7. 6:7. What is the difference between their ages? Your question is, what is the difference between their ages? Anju's age. Here they are asking, that is, what is the difference between their ages. That means you have to find first present age of Swati and Anju. After that, take the difference. Okay. So now the respective ratio of present ages. So present ages of Swati, Anju. Swati is to Anju. That is 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. Okay. So we will consider this one 4x is to 5x. Then they are given after 6 years. 6 years hence. 6 years hence means what? After 6 years. So after 6 years the respective ratio of their ages will be 6 is to 7. So you have to add 6. Okay. Now 4x plus 6 is to 5x plus 6 is equal to what? After 6 years this ratio will be 6 is to 7. Now find your x value. So how you find your x value? 4x plus 6 divided by 5x plus 6 is equal to 6 divided by 7. Now by cross multiplication, 7 into 4 28x plus 7 into 6 42 is equal to 6 into 5 30x plus 6 is the 36. So this implies take this 28x it becomes 30x minus 28x is equal to 42 minus 36. Take this one in LHS side, it will become 42 minus 36. Then 30x minus 28x. So this implies 30 minus 28, that is 2x. 42 minus 36, that is 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are it cancels. Hence x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, what's the present age? Present age of Swati. Present age of Swati is equal to what? So 4x, 4 into 6, that is 24. Similarly, present age of Anju. Present age of Anju is what? That is 5 into 6, that is 30. Okay. 5x, 5 into 6, that is, sorry. X equal to 3 here. X equal to 3. 4 3s are, sorry, 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. So 12, difference between 15 and 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So difference of their ages. Difference between their ages is equal to 3 because 15 minus 12 is 3. Okay. So I will repeat this once again. So here the respective ratio of the present ages of Swati and Anju is 4 is to 5. 6 years hence, after 6 years, the respective ratio of their ages will be 6 is to 7. So what is the difference between their ages? That is your question. Okay. So they are given present ages of Swati and Anju ratio. So S is to A, that is 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5 can be written as 4x is to 5x. So 6 years hence. 6 years hence means what? After 6 years. So after 6 years means that means 6 years more. That means 4x plus 6 is to 5x plus 6 is equal to 6 is to 7. Because after 6 years this ratio will become, that is 6 is to 7. So 4x plus 6 divided by 5x plus 6 is equal to 6 by 7. Now by cross multiplication, 7 into 4 28x, 7 into 6 42, 6 into 5 30x, 6 into 6 36. Now take this 28x in RHS side, 30x minus 28x, then take this in LHS side, 42 minus 36. Now 30 minus 28, that is 2x, is equal to 42 minus 36, that is 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are get cancelled, so x is equal to 3. So now x equal to 3 means substitute in your present age, that is present age of Swati, that is 4x, right? 4x means 4 into 3, x value is 3, 4 into 3 12. Present age of Anju 5x, so 5 into 3 15. So Swati age is 12, Anju age is 15. So difference between these, that is 3 years. Anju is 3 years older than Swati, that means 15 minus 12 is 3. Difference between their ages is equal to 3. Okay. I'll take another question. take another question, that is the ratio of the present ages of present ages of two brothers. Present ages of two brothers. Present ages of two brothers is 1:2. Is 1:2. And 5 years back, the ratio was 1:3. The ratio was 1:3. What will be the ratio of their ages? What will be the ratio of their ages? Ratio of their ages after 5 years. After 5 years. This is your question. So try to understand the question first. The ratio of present ages of two brothers is 1:2. So present ages of two brothers, I take A is to B, that is 1:2. Okay. And 5 years back means what? It is past. That is take -5. Okay. So here it can be taken as x to x. So x to x means here 5 years back this ratio is 1:3. This ratio is 1:3. Then after that, what will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? So you should find out that what is the ratio of their ages after 5 years. So here before, that is 5 years back means x minus 5 is to 2x minus 5 is equal to 1:3. Understand it carefully. Present age is 1:2. How you write this one? X is to 2x. Okay. So 5 years back, this ratio was 1:3. 5 years back. That means subtract 5 in this ratio. That is x minus 5 is to 2x minus 5 is equal to 1:3. Now find your x value. So x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. 3 into x, 3x minus 5 3 is 15. 1 into 2x, 2x minus 5. Now this implies 3x minus 2x. Take this 2x in the other side, which is equal to minus 15. Take it to the other side. Minus 5 plus 10. So this implies x is equal to 10 minus 5. 15. 15 minus 5, that is 10. So your x value is what? 10. So you will get x equal to 10 means present age of A and B. Present age of A and B. Present age of A and B. A is what? X equal to 10. 10. Present age of B is what? 2x. 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. Okay. After 5 years. After 5 years, age of A. Age of A is, that is 10 plus 5, 15. Age of B, that is 20 plus 5, that is 25. Okay. So required ratio is what? That is 15:25. You can write it as 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Your answer is what? 3:5. So understand it carefully. The ratio of present ages of two brothers is 1:2. Okay. Then at 5 years back, the ratio was 1:3. Then what will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? So first, present age of two brothers, I will take x to b, that is 1:2. You can write it as x is to 2x. 5 years back, that means subtract 5. So x minus 5 is to 2x minus 5. This ratio was 1:3 is equal to 1:3. Solve x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 3. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 2x, 2x, 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Now take this 2x in the other side, 3x minus 2x, then minus 15, take it in the other side, your required ratio is what? 3:5. Try to understand the question first, analyze it, then only you will get the answer.